You're all wondering, how much did this room cost? And this is your actual room key. We're at the Tokyo Disney Ambassador Hotel. Tokyo Disney Resort is celebrating the 20th anniversary of Kingdom Hearts with a special limited time hotel room. And that's where we're staying tonight. Hey fellow explorers, my name is Chris, aka TDRExplorer, and I help you plan your eventual trip to Japan and its theme parks. The borders are still not open as of this recording, but I have a link in the description if you want to go stay up to date. We keep an updated guide up on our website. I can't believe it's been 20 years. 20 years since Kingdom Hearts, the original, came out. That's a very long time. Anyway, we're here at the Disney Ambassador Hotel at Tokyo Disney Resort, where they have a special hotel room themed to Kingdom Hearts. Yes, and we're going to be staying in there tonight. There's also some merchandise we're going to check out, and we're going to attempt some of the food. I couldn't get a reservation for the special cake set, but there's a special drink set, so we're going to attempt that later. But the most important thing is I'm going to give you a room tour. We're going to go and check this out because I paid a pretty penny for this hotel room. So if you want to find out how much I paid for this, you're going to have to wait until the end of the video. All right, explorers, with that said, let's head on inside to the Ambassador Hotel, check into our room, and then head inside our room and check it out. Here's our room. Look at that. Kingdom Hearts, 20th anniversary. And yes, this is my room key. They give you a Keyblade. And this is your actual room key. Let's head inside. I have a full room tour of the regular Ambassador Hotel room, so I'll put a link up there if you want to go check those out. I'm not going to go through everything for the Ambassador room, just the stuff that is Kingdom Hearts, like these bags. So there's 2 of us on our reservation, right? And so we got pretty much 2 of everything. So we got these nice bags, Disney Ambassador Hotel, Kingdom Hearts 20th anniversary. We get to keep these. I am in love with this Keyblade. Like, look at this. We will look at it more in a minute. I want to show you the room. I'm excited. So here's the bathroom. I know I'm going to get asked. There's nothing here that is Kingdom Hearts for the room. For the amenities, it's just the regular amenities there that they always have. I was going to be holding this the entire time. Don't mind me. And this is the toilet room. And the shower room. Exciting stuff. I know. Riveting. All right. Now to check out why we're here. So, here it is. The Kingdom Hearts room. So it's just an overlay. They just put the stuff on top. But this is really cool. I love that they do these kind of things. It's just, I don't know. It's nice. 20th anniversary of Kingdom Hearts. I love Kingdom Hearts, obviously. We got Sora here. That's actually really cool. So this bed runner. Don't think you can keep that though. Definitely get to keep this. And then Kingdom Hearts 20th anniversary. This is just like a slip cover on it. And we have some artwork right here. And we got a peekaboo. Got a little heartless there. And we also got, I'm going to put this down. We also got some postcards. So they gave us 2 each. And these are exclusive because it says the Disney Ambassador Hotel on there. That is a gorgeous design. I love that. So for these rooms, you can have up to 3 people, I believe. So if you put 3 people down, you would have got 3 of the postcards, 3 of the room keys of the Keyblades. Oh, this is random. This is not Kingdom Hearts. I love you, Duffy and friends, but we're not here for you today. Sorry. I'll put these back. There we go. And we got Coyote here. This is easier to see. The pattern, like you can see her easier than this one. This one's it's pretty dark. They're both pretty cool though. I like that. '20th anniversary. So these are like one person sleeps there, one person sleeps there. And if you added a third person, there's actually a bed that pulls from underneath here, a trundle bed. And this is how the bed pulls out that's underneath. Yeah, just a little trundle bed. That's how you fit 3 people. Okay, I'm gonna check how hard or soft the beds are, because usually in Japan, a lot of the beds are not that soft. They're usually pretty firm. I do like a firm bed, but not that firm, you know? Anyway, I don't want to mess it up. Take off my shoes. Ooh, okay. It's on the firm side, but I like that. These are better than the beds at the Celebration Hotel. Celebration Hotel has like really hard beds. Like they're not the most comfy. This is actually not bad. It's not super soft. It's just it's firm, but not too firm. It's just right. Sorry about that, Sarah. So those are the beds. And then on top here, we have some portraits of all the different characters. You know what? There's no Chip and Dale. I do not see Chip and Dale. That is a travesty. Those of you that watch the channel know how much I love Chip and Dale. Donald and Goofy. Aqua. Sora. Riku. Mickey. That's really cool. How's this fixed on? Okay. It's on there pretty good. I'm not going to try and take it off or anything. Family portraits. I like the sound of this. Just like some nice ASMR. Then over here, Roxas and Sora. Another portrait with their sea salt ice cream. I really want some sea salt ice cream. And there's a chest. Yes, there's a chest. And we got a lovely little lampshade here. So the chest, I can't show you what's in it. I already know what's inside. I've opened it. I know what's in there, but I'm not allowed to show you online until sometime in April. So you'll just have to wait. You have to wait to see what's inside. And here's the view from our room. We're looking into the courtyard, so that's Xpiare over there. We got these curtains here. I'm going to close them actually. Got some themed curtains. All the different symbols and stuff. Close this so it's easier to see. The lovely table. The exact same design that is on the postcards. That is really nice. Ugh. And then over here we also have another lamp shade. Beautiful. When the original Kingdom Hearts came out in Japan, I actually imported it because I couldn't wait for it to come out in Canada. So this was what, 2002? I would have been 17 at the time and working part-time at McDonald's. So, going to high school, working. I really wanted Kingdom Hearts, and I didn't want to wait I can't remember off the top of my head, 6-7 months or something for it to come out in Canada and North America. because, you know, back then video games didn't come out worldwide usually. It was usually, if it was made in Japan, it came out in Japan first, followed by, you know, the international releases. So Kingdom Hearts was coming out in Japan first, and I really, really wanted it. So I did import the game. I don't remember where I got it. I want to say Yes Asia. I think that's still around. Is it? I have no idea. Obviously I haven't used that in years, but I do remember I bought, like, it's a legitimate copy, and then I bought a Japanese PlayStation 2 as well. Just so I can play that one game. And I didn't know any Japanese at the time either. I couldn't read it, didn't understand any words whatsoever, but I wanted to play it so bad. I didn't get very far because there was a lot of reading involved, and I couldn't really figure it out. That's just how much I wanted the game way back then, back in 2002. I can't believe it's been 20 years. There's a Kingdom Hearts dessert set at the Hyperion Lounge, but it was all booked out. I couldn't get it, even though I was staying in the room, and yeah, it was completely full, so I couldn't do the dessert set, unfortunately. There was also a drink that you could do, but I'm going to skip on the drink because I really just wanted the dessert. The drink, to me, didn't look like anything special. That's a little disappointing, but you know what? It is what it is. We're going to head into the gift shop and check out some of the Kingdom Hearts merchandise. Let's go! Heading inside Festival Disney here. I'm going to check out the Kingdom Hearts merchandise, which is right here. Kingdom Hearts 3. Oh, the emblem. It's a echo bag. Oh, right here. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen this before. How much is this? $29.70. Ooh, that's like $29. That's not cheap. Ooh. And we got some plushes here. So we're Goofy. How much are you, Goofy? $59.40. Ooh. Pricey. But I've seen that Goofy around before, like the Square Enix store and stuff. Oh, this is cute. These must be new. I haven't seen these before. These little characters. How much are you? How much are you? Ventus, how much are you? $41.80. Ooh. But that is cute. There's like little beans. You can feel beans in his bottom. So you can sit. Aww. The Aqua. Their hair is really soft. And we got Terra. And we have some more over here. They did have the Chip and Dale. I do have the Chip and Dale. I bought it a while ago. But they must be sold out here. But I've seen them around. Yeah, we got all the other characters here too. These are nice. Okay. Is that it? Okay. I'm gonna have to get this shoulder bag. It's 5,500 yen, and it's for people that are staying in the room. So, if you stay in the room, you can buy this. So I'm definitely gonna have to get this. Oh, I love that it says Kingdom Hearts and Disney Ambassador on it. Look at that. Yep, I'm gonna get it. And this is exclusive for people staying in the Kingdom Hearts room. That is really nice. And I do love that it says Kingdom Hearts Disney Ambassador Hotel on there. So it's a nice little shoulder bag. And we got the shoulder straps here. So let's open it up. Okay. The inside is just... Oh, no, there is a design on the inside. Oh, it's really hard to see. It's a little dark. It's Sora, I think. Okay, hold on. I can't see. Yes, Sora is on the inside. It's really hard to see. I'm such a sucker for these exclusive things. Beautiful. You already saw the Keyblade, but we're going to do a little unboxing of the Keyblade. I was just too excited. I needed to show you the room right away, so I opened this up ahead of time, but So we got 2 of these, right? So because there's 2 of us in the room, so we each got our own Keyblade, which is lovely, and it comes in this nice box. Kingdom Hearts 20th Anniversary, Disney Ambassador Hotel. It's nicely packaged. And here we go. And it does have some weight to it. Like it's pretty hefty for basically a room key. It is really nice. Look at that. Like you can, like when you hear this kind of jingling, you can tell there's some weight to this. This is really well done. And I love that we get to keep this. You're all wondering, how much did this room cost? Well, it cost 80,000 yen, which is about 700 US dollars. That's actually quite a bit for this hotel. So to kind of give you a point of reference, a standard room, a standard room starts at about 33,000 yen, which is about 290 US dollars. So you can see there's quite a big difference there. But they do have other character rooms here that are more permanent, unlike this one. This one is a limited time. Character rooms start at about 47,000 yen, and that's about 400 US dollars. So, it's a little bit more than the regular room. So, yeah, just to kind of give you a point of reference here. I cannot stop playing with this Keyblade. I am obsessed with this. It's hefty. Like it's definitely, there's some metal on here and clearly some plastic, and it's so good. It's so good. I love it. I enjoy it. It's great. It's fantastic. If you're by yourself, it's a very steep price for what this is. If you stay with 2 other people, so you can have up to 3 in the room, and if you split it 3 ways, it's a little bit more reasonable. Like the Keyblade is really cool. I love that you get to keep that. And the decorations in here, you can tell they're temporary. It's an overlay. So for what it is pretty expensive. If it's like, if this pops up again, because this is only until April, if it does come back and you get a chance to be able to book it, I would only do like 1 night. Don't do more than that, because it is quite pricey. The other hotels are cheaper. The other hotel rooms, like I just mentioned a few minutes ago, the price comparisons for the Disney Ambassador Hotel. So I'm glad I did it, though. I really want to do this, and I'm happy I did. Probably won't do it again, though. So what part of the room did you like the best? Let me know in the comments below with the keyword Keyblade. I'm going to keep putting this in front of the camera, just so I know that you watched all the way to the end. All right, Explorers, thank you so much for joining me as I showed you around this wonderful room. All right, Explorers, until next time.